f of x is said to be a continuous probability function that's equals to 1.2 or equals to 1 over 5. And then this function is restricted from interval 0 is less than or equal to x and less than or equals to 5. And you have to determine the continuous probability at x is less than 0. Then we use first we illustrate it by using the graph. This is a continuous function